Is your Spectrum app failing to install on your Xumo TV? First, ensure your Xumo TV is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and that you have an active Spectrum cable or internet subscription linked to your TV's serial number. Navigate to the Xumo App Store and try installing the Spectrum TV app. If it won't download, verify you have at least 1 GB of free storage. Also, confirm your Spectrum plan includes TV access. If issues persist, restart your Xumo TV and router. As of mid-2025, Spectrum recommends Xumo OS 5.0 or higher for optimal compatibility, so update your TV's firmware in the Xumo settings menu if needed. According to user feedback from June 2025, version 25.3.1 of the Spectrum TV app resolves many installation failures. Experiencing buffering or crashes while watching Spectrum on your Xumo TV? Playback issues often stem from network problems or app glitches. Start by power cycling both your TV and router. Ensure your internet speed meets the minimum requirement of 25 Mbps for smooth streaming. Use an Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for greater stability. Clear the Spectrum app's cache in the Xumo settings. Confirm the app has necessary permissions like location and storage access. If using external devices, check for HDMI or audio output conflicts. Spectrum's stream quality setting, if available, can auto-adjust to your network conditions. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support. A Reddit user success story from June 2025 highlighted that switching to a wired connection and enabling Spectrum's stream quality setting significantly reduced errors.